Replace profile and accessory. Hi. In this video, I will show how it's working the replace profile or accessory function of the Ginnery software. Let me start with the replace profile. We have this sliding type, where I would like to change the top and bottom sliding sash, which is the ABI 612 profile currently. To change this profile, I will press the Replace Profile button where I can select the replacement of the top and bottom sash. I will search the profile code and function of the profile and I will select a bigger profile for bottom sash, the ABI 613. And I will select a smaller profile for top sash, the AB 614. The replacements we can see on the bottom of the form in a small table. After save and exit, the result will appear on the preview of the Type 2. Let's check now the Replace Accessory function. I will open the cut list and I will select an accessory or hardware which I will replace. For example, the HD 100P, which is a powder-coated handle, and the He 211, which is a 56mm roller. To change these accessories, I will press the Replace Accessories button where I can select the replacements. I will search for the powder-coated handle and I replace it with a mill one. Also, I will search for the 56mm roller and I will change it to a 72mm one. I save the changes and I will check the result on the cut list. As you can see, the replacements are appearing now on the cut list. The Replace Profile and Accessory function can be reached on Color and Measure Form 2. These are helping the users to modify the type fast and easily, to save time to the users. Thanks for watching. See you next time.